Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick. In this video I have the TCL Flip 4. I will show you how to perform hard reset. The whole reason to do hard reset, in case if you have a password locking the screen and you forgot what it is, or somebody else did it and you cannot access the phone anymore, so this video will help you. So make sure to subscribe, give me thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now I have a quick disclaimer before I start. Doing hard reset means doing factory reset. This will lead to lose all your information such as your contacts, your pictures, so be careful before you do the hard reset. Now how you do the hard reset, it should be so easy. First of all, go to the power key and shut the phone completely off, and then just go turn off. The phone should turn off regardless if you have a password or not. And after that we need the power key and the volume up. So we need to press on these two keys together. Now once you feel the vibration, you must remove from the power and hold on the volume up. Again, once you feel the vibration, not when you see TCL. So immediately remove your finger from the power and keep hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do that together. So that's the power and this is the volume up. Let's go ahead. The phone vibrates. Just remove my finger from the power. I'm holding on the volume up. And the phone immediately will take us to the recovery menu. From here we can navigate through the volume down and volume up, as you guys can see. And you can also use the D-pad, but to select you have to press the power key, not the OK key. Now you need to go to wipe data factory reset and then go to the power key, which is right here, and select, and then go down and select factory data reset and hit the power key. Now wait a few seconds. The phone has already done formatting, and then the phone will go to reboot system now. Now use the power key again to select reboot system now and give the phone up to 5 minutes to complete everything, and your phone will be as the factory with no password or whatsoever, and also you're gonna be losing all your information. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here in Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.